What if I told you Elon Musk's master plan isn't just about rockets and electric cars? Neuralink, the Boring Company, and Starlink are paving the way for something much bigger, something that could fundamentally reshape how we live, work, and connect. But here's the kicker. Musk isn't the only tech giant shaping the future. Mark Zuckerberg is quietly making moves of his own, potentially setting the stage for a rivalry or collaboration that could define the next decade. Stick around as we uncover part 2 of Elon Musk's vision, how it connects to Zuckerberg's evolving strategy, and what this means for the future of innovation. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to BitBoy X, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors on the face of the planet. Now listen, in part 1, we explored how SpaceX, Starlink, xAI, and xPayments are all part of Musk's integrated everything app vision. Now today, we're diving into Neuralink, the Boring Company, and how these projects set the stage for Musk's interconnected ecosystem, a future where everything we do, from thinking to traveling, operates on Musk's grid. And we'll also explore what Zuckerberg is up to and why his vision might be closer to Musk's than you realize. So let's start with Neuralink, Musk's boldest and most controversial project. This brain-machine interface connects the human brain directly to computers. While the initial goal is to treat neurological disorders like paralysis and Alzheimer's disease, Musk's long-term vision is revolutionary. Imagine controlling devices with your thoughts, accessing AI instantly, or even uploading and storing memories. Neuralink isn't just technology, it's a new frontier for human potential. Now, pair that with Starlink, Musk's global satellite internet network. With Starlink's high-speed connectivity, Neuralink could function seamlessly, even in the most remote parts of the world. Now, this means users could access AI tools or communicate brain to brain in real time, anywhere on the planet. It's empowerment on a global scale, but Musk's vision doesn't stop at the brain. It goes deep, literally. The Boring Company is building tunnels that could revolutionize urban transportation with Hyperloop systems. Picture this, booking a Hyperloop ride, paying with xPayments, and staying connected via Starlink, all within Musk's ecosystem. It's not just futuristic, it's happening. Meanwhile, Zuckerberg has been making some very intriguing moves. Recent reports show he visited Mar-a-Lago, allegedly seeking Trump support for a national renewal vision. Now, while this might seem political on the surface, Mr. X suggests it's part of Zuckerberg's broader pivot strategy towards reinvention, possibly inspired by Elon Musk's strategy of dominating multiple sectors. Zuckerberg's focus on the metaverse has cooled in recent months, but don't mistake that for retreat. Instead, he's doubling down on integrating AI into Meta's platforms and exploring decentralized approaches to governance and content creation. Could Zuckerberg be taking a page from Musk's playbook? Does he have the same mentor? I don't know. Mr. X hinted that Zuck might even lean on mentorship from Musk, maybe, following a similar trajectory of diversification and strategic expansion.
Are you looking for a reliable crypto exchange with low fees and high security? The search can be overwhelming with so many options out there. Join Phemex using my affiliate link to get up to an $8,800 trading bonus right now. Experience top-notch trading features, low fees, and strong security. Click the link in the description to get started today.
Now back to Musk. Starlink, often viewed as just an internet service, is the glue holding Musk's empire together. Its low latency, high-speed connectivity doesn't just power Neuralink and Hyperloop, it enables Musk's vision for a fully connected global society. Imagine Neuralink users sharing thoughts in real time while Hyperloop passengers stream immersive VR experiences on Starlink's network. It's a seamless web of innovation. Then there's Tesla, often overlooked in Musk's larger narrative. Now, Tesla's energy solutions like solar panels and power walls could power everything from Neuralink facilities to Starlink ground stations. Even Hyperloop infrastructure could run on Tesla's renewable energy. Tesla isn't just a car company, it's the silent driver of Musk's interconnected vision. Now, let's zoom out and think about Zuckerberg again. If Musk's projects aim to connect and empower individuals globally, Zuckerberg's initiatives might offer a parallel path. Recent discussions highlight Zuckerberg's renewed focus on AI and decentralized systems, possibly setting the stage for contributions to Web3 infrastructure similar to Musk's. For example, Zuckerberg's exploration of decentralized governance, well, that aligns with Musk's efforts to create tools for transparency and innovation. And let's not forget Zuckerberg's history of pivoting successfully. Meta transformed from a social media giant into a metaverse and AI leader within a decade. Could Zuckerberg's next big play involve contributions to decentralized networks or even AI applications that rival Musk's XAI? And Mr. X suggests that Zuckerberg's mentorship ties might even include Musk. Interesting. He made the flip. He made the swap. Well, it's speculative the idea of these two tech titans aligning or competing on key innovations like AI, decentralized systems, and global connectivity. Well, it's thrilling. And Mr. X told me, he said Zuck's becoming quieter, but that's often when the biggest moves are made. Now, that's very interesting because Zuckerberg's been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes. But let's recap here. Neuralink could redefine human potential, allowing us to think and connect in ways that we've only dreamed of. The Boring Company and Hyperloop, well, they're revolutionizing physical connectivity. Starlink ties it all together, and Tesla powers the vision. Meanwhile, Zuckerberg's quiet pivots and strategic moves suggest he's not just watching from the sidelines, he's now gearing up to make waves of his own. Could Zuckerberg's contributions mirror Musk's ambitions? And what does this mean for the future of innovation? Drop me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Are we witnessing the rise of two complementary visions? Or is this a rivalry in the making, or maybe a mix of both? That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.